Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Maria, an OFW who's working here in Gambia, West Africa. So guys, for today's video, we will go somewhere else. We will go to Brikama side. You know, I need to buy some mop for the side. I can only buy from this side, Brikama side. So we are on the way now to Brikama. You know, I don't know much this road, but I'm just driving alone here to this side. I've been here like for 2 times already, but I don't remember much the road. So let's go, guys. I will show you this Brikama side. So guys, this side, this market where I will go to, it's a bit crowded. So I will show you guys if possible. So we will go to Brikama market. Ganyan siya ka-crowded. Tropa, I'm lost. I cannot find that shop where we bought last time the mop, but I will find. Like this crowded, guys, like that. Guys, I did not find the shop last time, but I found a new shop that where I can buy. It's just the same material. But guys, this time it's more expensive than last time. But it's okay. I have no choice. The first shop I went to, he is giving me very high price. You know, here if they saw you like as white or you are not black, then they will make the price higher, na? Like 2 times like that. It's not easy here, guys. If you are not black, they will charge you high.
Tubab. Tubab.
They're calling me Tubab, na? Tubab is what?
Tubab.
Tubab is white people.
Tubab.
What you buy? What is this?
Bread.
Bread? No egg? No egg? This is for what? Breakfast or lunch? 10?
Tubab.
Bena cook? Bena cook? 10. Guys, they buy bread and $10 is
It's 5.
5.
Tubab.
Tubab. We can buy candy, na? You want to go with me? We will buy candy. Kai. Juice. Kai. We will buy candy. What to do? Usman. Not to do. Ibrahim. So not to do is name. Huh?
Name. Sin.
Saidi. Usman.
Dara.
Me Mariama.
Sona.
Mariama. So guys, we will buy candy, yeah? Maybe they want to buy something. Huh? Get na, I will pay. You want this? Huh? Huh? You want? This one. They buy this. What you buy?
Huh?
Naka? They buy this. Hollow fee.
Para.
Okay. Dire Jeff, why? Abara ka, abara ka. Bye. Abara ka. Bye-bye. Guys, I will just get my car. I park it a little far from the shop. Then I'll just pick it up, those maps that I bought. And then I will go back. Hi guys, I cannot show you the market. You know, the Brikama market. There are, you know, plenty people. It's very crowded. And there are police. Maybe, you know, if I take video, they will catch me or they will get angry at me. That's why I did not take video. But really, it's very crowded. Too much people are there. They are buying, you know, it's morning. They are buying for their lunch. So guys, we are done here. And yeah, we bought the mop. You know, those two kids, they keep on calling me, like, because I parked the car a little far. So they are buying some bread na there. And they keep on calling me. Then like I'm going here and there na, because I went to the shop to buy the material, and then I told the shopkeeper that I will just get my car, and then I saw them again and they keep on greeting me and saying tubab, tubab, tubab. So I talked to them. It's nice guys, I saw their smile. You know, it's good in the feeling when you see the kids na smiling. So I think that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye bye.